Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your upcoming trips on Chase Travel. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just booked a trip on Chase Travel Portal and you use points and you want to see the details of that upcoming trip. How do you actually go ahead and pull that up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log on to the Chase Travel Portal. Then once you reach this page right over here, you want to click on this icon that looks like a travel bag. And then what's going to happen is that it's going to show you your upcoming trips. So right now you can see that this card is empty, but if you highlight your profile icon on the upper right hand side, you could actually click on trips. And then here you can see your upcoming trips, your past trips, and trips that you used with credits. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your upcoming trips on Chase Travel Portal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.